Hello guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be doing an extreme deep whole house clean with me, and as you guys can see on the screen here, I recently purchased a few new cleaning products that I wanted to try out, and one of which is this like cleaning toothbrush sort of thing. It's of course electric, and I've seen multiple other cleaning creators here on YouTube use this product, and I've just been very intrigued, but I'm just waiting for a chance for it to come in stock at our local Target. But I end up loving this product. I will talk to you guys more about it later, but I also will be testing out all the other products and talking you through what I do and don't like about them and all that sort of stuff. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So I'm sure you guys just enjoyed laughing at me as I struggled to open up that little packaging that was holding this toothbrush, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna end up referring it to it as a toothbrush, but no ways it's getting anywhere near my teeth. But this has just an amazing design, and I'm by no means sponsored by any of these brands I'll be testing out today, but I was just really excited to try out this in particular. So you can see these heads here are designed to really get a deep clean in whatever cracks or crevices you are targeting. But I'm now going to start out the first day of cleaning by tidying up our kitchen, and there won't be a whole lot of tidying in this video, more of those deep cleaning moments instead, which I hope will be really satisfying for you guys and hopefully motivating to do some deep cleaning as well. But if you're excited to see this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. The first area of our home that we will be deep cleaning today is our kitchen sink. So while I do clean this every few days, there were just certain scuffs or splatters of paint that I was just not able to get off myself, and that was one of the reasons why I bought this new tool, was hoping that it could get it off for me, and fortunately it did. But all those paint splatters are just from me washing my paintbrushes, and I really cannot get it off without this tool. But you will hear me talking a little bit more about this tool later on in the video, but I just want to let you guys know this was $20 and it was definitely worth the money, especially in other places in our home like our window ledges. While I have tried deep cleaning them before, I was never able to get as thorough of a clean as I was with using this tool. So again, I would highly recommend this product.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying till it bends, still I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
Once I was almost done with thoroughly wiping down the countertops, I was going to move into the bathroom, which you will see in just one moment. But this is just our half guest bath, and this is obviously just what our guests use when they come over, but it's kind of neglected because of that, because we never really use it. But I was going to wipe off the light fixture as well as the faucet and drain area, which you will see in just a few moments, with, of course, my new tool, because I really wanted to see how it worked on these drain areas in bathrooms. That tool, as you can see, did a really good job at giving that drain area a good deep cleaning. But in a moment you will see me move into the living room, but this is of course the next day because I had a quick outfit change. But I decided to get my duster out and dust the ceiling area, and I only showed in the living room, but I did do this throughout the majority of our house because whether you can see it or not on camera, there was just a lot of cobwebs that had built up.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold.
After finishing up all the general spaces of cleaning in our living room, it was time to do some deeper cleaning. So I was going to use my power scrubber, the more technical word for this new tool, and I'm going to really deep clean my windowsills as well as our trim. The video is getting pretty long at this point. I'm already noticing through editing, so I'm probably not going to show as much as I was expecting to of cleaning these windows, but I will give you a few clips of using this tool in our living room.
Take away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted.
Now I just generally need to do a good amount of vacuuming, so I vacuumed our stairs, and then I moved into our guest bedroom to make the bed because we had guests over, and then vacuum here as well, and then later in my bedroom. But a very long time ago, I made over this guest bedroom, and I'm definitely thinking of doing some redecorating sometime, so stay tuned for that. But then after that, I moved into my bedroom really quickly. I had no other cleaning to do in here because off camera, I did a really deep bedroom clean, and that was like a few days before this whole thing. But finally, I was going to move into my bathroom because I had a moderate amount of deep cleaning to do in here. Nothing crazy because a few videos back, I did do a good amount of deep bathroom cleaning.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? trying to climb. Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can
In just one moment, you will see me try out my next cleaning product, and this is by 7th Generation, which is a cleaning line. And if you don't know what that means, it essentially means there's no necessarily harmful chemicals, paraben free, all that sort of stuff. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you would know I try to keep it to clean products, whether it's cleaning, beauty, anything like that. But this was an antibacterial spray, and I thought it'd be great for, you know, the toilet area. And I normally don't show me cleaning our toilets on our channel, but I thought, you know what, we all use one, it's necessary, we all have to clean them, so I thought these would be some nice products to show you guys. This is also the Mr. Clean, I believe, toilet cleaner wand, and I've been using this for almost a year now, and you just have these little pieces that you click onto this wand, you scrub the toilet, and then throw it away, and it's just a really seamless process, and it just really allows you to stay as clean as possible when cleaning our toilets. But I ended up using this spray, of course, and you have to leave it for about 10 minutes, and number one, I will say it has an amazing scent. I love like mint sort of scents, and this was like mint, eucalyptus, and spearmint. I would definitely recommend, because after I had wiped it all off, it left this toilet sparkling, which I wasn't going to do any close-ups of my toilet on my channel, but I did want to let you guys know it left the toilet very, very clean.
You and your beat up guitar always seem to move me like a superstar. What's the story about you? What's the story?
So all in all, I would recommend you picking up the disinfectant spray, because mainly it just smells amazing, but also the Mr. Clean toilet cleaning wand, because that is one of my all-time favorite products. But now, speaking of Mr. Clean, I'm now going to be testing out the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sheets. So I will be honest with you guys, I have tried this out like once or twice before, but mainly just the blocks, and I would say this is a better product than the blocks, because they last just about as long, but way more come in a pack compared to the blocks. But if you're a mom out there, I'm sure you've heard of this product, especially because it takes off any scuff on pretty much any wall. It's just a glorious product, honestly. But if you picked up one thing from this video, it would be number one, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and a very close second, the Power Scrubber. And I'll try to have all of these linked down in the description box in case you're interested. But with that all being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and found it satisfying, as well as, of course, motivating. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell so you not miss out on more videos just like this. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.